9 months ago, production of the 2025 Renault Kardian crossover began in Brazil. The car is now being assembled at a Moroccan car plant, also owned by the French company. From here, the crossover will be supplied to markets in the Middle East and Africa. In preparation for production in Morocco, Renault has made some changes to the Kardian. The crossover is equipped with manual air conditioning, multimedia with a small screen, cruise control, and 2 airbags. The top version has a digital instrument panel, an enlarged touch screen, a rear-view camera, etc. The new version of Kardian differs from the prototype in new body colors and new discs. Inside the crossover, the central console has been redesigned, which is now located lower. Also, the French model has returned the traditional gear shift lever. Previously its functions were performed by a joystick. The car has acquired a new 1.5-litre turbodiesel engine. Such engines are prohibited for installation on cars sold on the Brazilian market. The declared power of the new turbodiesel is 102 horsepower. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The French crossover is also equipped with a 1-litre turbocharged engine, producing up to 100 horsepower. It is combined with a variator. In Brazil, this unit is presented with a 6-range automatic.